Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the last video, we created your very first Canva design. Now, let's level up your skills by learning how to use Canva Elements and graphics like a pro. From shapes and icons to animated stickers and frames, I'll show you how to make your designs pop. Let's go. Start by clicking on the Elements tab on the left. This is Canva's treasure chest. You'll find graphics, photos, stickers, charts, frames, grids, and more. You can use the search bar to find specific things, like phone icon, aesthetic leaves, or arrows. Want to add a background shape or highlight text? Scroll down and choose from shapes like circles, squares, and triangles. Once added, you can resize, rotate, and even change the color using the top menu. Under the Photos section, you'll find thousands of free images. You can search for anything like coffee, sunset, or workspace. Just drag them onto your design and adjust as needed. Want to make your designs more dynamic? Try stickers. These are little animated graphics that really grab attention. Great for social media posts or stories. Frames and grids help you place photos in fun, clean layouts. Just drag a frame shape onto your canvas, then drag an image into it. It snaps in automatically. You can also upload your own logos, photos, or brand assets. Just click on the Uploads tab, drag and drop from your computer, and start using them right away. You can layer different elements by using the Position tool at the top. Move things forward or backward to create depth and structure. This is super useful when working with overlapping shapes and text. And just like that, you're ready to start designing like a boss with Canva. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you've got any questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more creative content every week. Catch you in the next one. Peace.